Welcome to Ryan Toy Review. Universal Studio.
Yes, in Florida. So we just got in, and now we're trying to find the Harry Potter exhibit.
Oh, look at that ride.
Whoa! Going, they're going. Do you guys see they're going? Whoa! No, thank you. Whoa, loop-de-loop. You want to go on that one, Daddy?
Never.
I want to go on it, me.
You want to?
Are you serious, Ryan? No way.
Monster Cafe. Woo. I think we are finally at the world of Harry Potter.
Whoa.
Well, look at Daddy's expression. React to Harry Potter world. Woo. These are the different ones. Interactive or not?
I want dragon meat.
What is this one?
Looks pretty simple.
It looks really
Curve.
simple, like a curved one. So Daddy got the Harry Potter one. Absolutely. So this is Ryan's wand. And that's Daddy's
I
wand.
gotta paste this.
Oh, you're painting it? Purple? That's cool. Oh, I get it. It's a pink brush on one side and a magical wand on the other side, right? Oh, you did it!
You did it.
You did it, Ryan. You did
I
it.
wonder what animal you get.
What animal?
Oh, you got a dog.
Oh, good job, Ryan. You did it. You did it. Yay! Oh, we are going in the Hartford Express. So it's a long line right now. Daddy has his wand out in case what?
Bad guy come.
Bad guys come. Alright, so we're on the train.
Hogwarts behind it too.
Whoa. Whoa. Then we got a butterbeer from the Harry Potter world.
Famous butterbeer.
Ew, you have a bite in your steak.
How is it?
Good.
It's good?
It's so good.
It's so good now?
He went all the way from me. I don't want to try. I only like a little bit, and it's so good. I think it is superstar.
Whoa. Yeah.
You be on the yellow team, and I'll be on the blue team.
Okay.
Whoever goes up first. Pick it up, pick it up. It's a crawl.
You have to crawl in here? Oh my gosh. I don't think Mommy and Daddy can crawl in here. This is impossible.
Whoa. This is very little, kids.
Let's go. Whoa. Whoa.
The down is not that far, so we can go a little
Okay, let's go higher. One act at the time, please. All right, now we can go. Whoa. Whoa.
think we weren't there.
Yeah.
Oh, there's more.
There's another one filling up.
Hey, that's telephone.
I know.
It's sitting water.
Ah.
Wow.
Something on the outside. Wow. We're in Springfield. Oh, look at that big donut over there.
We got lunch. She
Goggles. See what it looks like here.
so
Okay. Go back to I think it's. Wow. I'm so.
People.
Oh.
spider.
We are
There's
burger.
fantastic
To eat it, but it's too big.
gingerbread.
Oh, gingerbread. Yummy.